Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
We are now down to our last game this Sunday. It's the Bucal University Lady Wolves versus the UNC Greyhounds na magkakapatan para sa ating huling laro. And I am Christina Ganzo-Reyes ang mag-PS League Quata na maghahatid sa inyo ng aksyon ngayong hapon.
Ayan, T, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa ating venue, the NCF Covered Court, and also abangan nyo kami sa aming live stream. We have the Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and also sa ating YouTube channel ng One Media TV 48 Naga. So aabangan talaga natin ang bakbaka. UNC Greyhounds versus the BU Wolves, parehas may isang panalo, and let's see kung sino ngayon ang magkakaroon ng dalawang panalo sa ligang ito at sino ang makakaranas ng isang talo dito sa ligang ito.
And you know what, Rick, parehong kupunan po, napakagaling ng performance nila nung nakalipas na araw. And of course, sa ating BU Lady Wolves, galing pa lamang po sila sa panalo kahapon, galing sa USI Falcons. Napakaganda nga nung naging performance nila, napaka-crucial nga nung naging laro nila, pero at the end, nakuha nga po nila ang panalo against the USI Falcons.
Yes, umabot nga ito sa 5th set, yung BU Wolves versus the USI Falcons na talaga namang sobrang nagandahan at love na love ito ng ating mga viewers kasi hindi sila binigo at hindi sayang yung bayad nila sa panunood at naging sulit ang kanilang volleyball experience. And now, this is the moment na malalaman natin kung sino ang patuloy na magkakaroon ng isang panalo dito sa ating liga.
Ayan nga, Dick. Pareho pala itong ating UNC Greyhounds and of course the BU Lady Wolves na ang nakalaban nila is yung USI Falcons. Kaya naman, ngayong hapon na to, makikita talaga natin kung sino ba ang pinakamagaling dito sa ating dalawang kupon na ito. Wala pa silang talo, kaya aabangan po natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and of course sa ating live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV. Dito nga sa ating UNC Greyhounds, galing sila sa panalo nga, sinabi natin last week sa USI Falcons kung saan nga napakaganda talaga ng performance na pinakita nila. At kaya rin, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ray. Hi Ray, anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, Tina and Rick. Just like the volleyball men of UNC, this is the second appearance of the Lady Greyhounds this season. The training of the players were focused more on defense, and despite of the struggles in their training in terms of their health condition, they are determined and confident that they will be able to give the Wolves a good fight. With them winning the game last week, they are aiming to win again to be a step closer in winning and be the champion of the season. Kaya naman naabangan natin sila. I am Rin Reyes, your courtside reporter from the bench of the University of Nueva Cáceres Lady Greyhounds. Subaybayan natin sila only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So napakinggan nga natin, second appearance dito ng UNC Greyhounds and gusto nilang maging malinis ang kanilang record dito sa ating Bucal Season 5 ang magkaroon ng isa pang panalo kontra dito sa BU Wolves. Nung last season is nagharap din ng BU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds sa ating semifinals na kung saan nga nanalo dito ang BU Wolves. That's why BU Wolves and NCF yung lumaban sa championship. Pero this time, let's see kung babawi ba dito ang UNC Greyhounds or will the BU Wolves repeat the history.
Kaya naman kaabang-abang talaga itong laban ng UNC at Lady Wolves dahil itong ang dalawang kupunan na ito, isa din sa hinihintay ng mga manonood nating lumaban ngayong hapon na ito dahil magagaling na yung kanilang mga players, may mga baguhan, may datihan, pero still, napakaganda pa rin ng performance na ipinapakita nila. And of course, andito din yung mga supporters nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito na gustong-gustong makakita ng napakagandang laban na ngayong linggo.
Ayan, talagang aabangan ito ng ating mga live viewers. The BU Wolves and the UNC Greyhound. So nagwa-warm up na nga dito ang UNC Greyhounds.
Yan, Rick, itong ating UNC Greyhounds, hindi nga dito maglalaro si Martires, yung ating naging best player of the game last week. Kaya titignan natin kung ano kaya yung magiging adjustment ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds na wala yung isa sa magaling nilang players dito. But of course, we have the team captain, Kay Felices, to lead the team. Of course, we have Chavez, Bobier, and a lot of good players here on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
So dito sa larong ito, mag-e-expect ulit tayo na baka umabot tayo ng 5th set between these two teams kasi we know that UNC Greyhounds has this capabilities talaga na kayang manlamon inside the court as well as the side of the BU Wolves na talagang on that previous season ng Bucal, sila ang naging first runner-up. So, a very good matchup between these two teams na talagang namang aabangan ng lahat. So, magsha-shoutout po kami mamaya. So, comment down below at mag-like, subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages. Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. And also catch up live sa ating YouTube channel. We have the One Media TV 48 channel. So thank you so much po for your support. And in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang most awaited matchup between the Wolves and the Greyhounds.
Yeah, yan, Rick. Now, it's the BU Wolves in our court. Kahapon nga, nakita natin yung bakbakang USI versus Lady Wolves. Napakaganda nung naging performance nila dyan. Of course, we have Valderrama, our best player of the game kagabi. And of course, andyan din si Rojas and si Ramirez na talagang nag-step up para sa ating BU Wolves.
Ayan, this time BU Wolves naman ang nasa court para mag-warm up. Ang mga dapat nating abangan dito sa side ng Wolves is their veteran sa Valderrama. And syempre ang mga new faces katulad ni Reca Franca, their libero Nunez. Talaga namang aabangan natin. And of course, yung nagpakitang gilas kagabi on the side of the Wolves, si Rojas, na talaga namang palo kung palo. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila ditong new plays para lituhin ang depensa at opensa ng UNC Greyhounds.
Kaya kaabang-abang talaga yung magiging laro nitong ating dalawa sa pinakamagaling na teams dito sa ating Bucal Season 5, the UNC Greyhound and the BU Wolves. Kanina nga pinag-usapan natin yung ating BU Wolves and maganda yung naging performance nila last weekend or last night. And of course, doon din sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, maganda din yung kanilang performance na ipinakita nila dito.
Ayan, Tin.
Kaya naman yun, Rick, pinag-usapan natin kanina yung UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon naman, tanongin natin kung ano nga ba yung maging adjustment dito ng ating BU Wolves. At para marinig natin ang update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Tin and Rick, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. Bucal Season 5 wins, and women's volleyball is back with teams showing their fiercer and hungrier sides to show who will indeed rule this season. For our last game today, we will witness the fierce clamor between the UNC Lady Greyhounds versus the Bucal University Wolves. Earlier before the game, I had an opportunity to talk to their captain, and according to Sonny, the Wolves are ready to take home another win and to showcase a better place and execution compared to yesterday's game between the USI Lady Falcons. First game jitters were evident yesterday, but as she said, they grow more comfortable now inside the hard court. So let us witness the Wolves dominate this ball game. This is Ali reporting on the side of Bucal University Wolves, only here on Bucal Season 5-1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, according to the courtside reporter of Bucal University Wolves, BU is ready to take home another win sa hapon na ito. And let's see later kung ano ba ang gagawin dito ng BU Wolves to secure their streak here sa ating Bucal Season 5.
Kaya naman, Rick, sa mga supporters po ng ating BU Wolves at UNC Greyhounds, tutok lamang po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page para sa maaksyong paglalaro. And when sa aming pagbabalik po, yan, matututukan na natin ang laban ng UNC versus BU Wolves only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.